Are you tired of spending your weekends mowing the lawn? Do you want to enjoy your free time without worrying about lawn care? Then look no further than Moore's Lawn Maintenance. At Moore's Lawn Maintenance, they offer only professional lawn mowing services that will keep your lawn looking its best all year round. Their lawn care experts have years of experience and use the latest tools and methods to make sure that every cut is perfect. It has never been simpler to schedule your lawn care needs thanks to their excellent customer service team. But they don't just mow lawns. Their team of experts can also help with other lawn maintenance tasks, such as hedge trimming, mulching, mosquito and insect controls, fertilizing, weed control and much more. They are dedicated to making sure your lawn looks its best, so you can enjoy your outdoor space to the fullest. Why wait? Visit mooreslawnmaintenance.com today to schedule your lawn mowing service and start enjoying your free time again.